A Pakistani expert has lambasted Japan's plan to discharge nuclear contaminated water from its crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant into the Pacific Ocean, calling it a global issue with drastic consequences.
I think its repercussions and its implications will be huge. This is not just the Japanese problem, this is, I think, a global problem as well. And we think it will have economic consequences, it will have climate change consequences, it will have environmental concerns, it will have some very drastic consequences for the fisheries as well. Specifically, Japanese government should address all the concerns raised by Pacific Island Forum and all the concerning and neighboring countries in terms of data availability, in terms of site visits, in terms of research on the contaminated water. I think if Japanese wants to ensure openness, transparency, all the neighboring countries, all the Pacific Island Forum countries, they should be involved in this process, because this is not just the Japanese issue, this is the global issue.
In April 2021, the Japanese government unilaterally announced that it will discharge the nuclear contaminated water into the sea. It officially approved the discharge plan in July 2022 in disregard of strong opposition from the international community, especially neighboring countries and other stakeholders, and declared multiple times that it will not postpone the implementation of the plan.